Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. We're on the 21st of October and I'm indoors, as you can tell, and the reason I'm indoors is because tonight I'm going to do an update on the turmeric that I've been growing, and I've been growing it indoors. So let me turn the camera around and show you where we're at. Okay, so that's the turmeric. Or the three that I've planted into that container. Let me just pan quickly. So that's the other little block there. They're doing quite nicely, and these ones I'd potted up just into the sort of 5 litre type pot, and they have grown pretty well, not produced any flower, which I wasn't really expecting, not for first year. And then when we got to end of September, they started going into, I assume, their sort of dormancy phase and have started dying back. So yeah, I thought obviously now is the opportune time to do a recap video and see if we've actually got anything down there. So first things first, trusty secateurs, let's just snip these down. That'll make it easier, that's for sure. Pop them on one side. And you can, well, not that you can smell it, but you can smell the sort of the turmeric gingerish type fragrance coming from the stems. So now to tip it out and see what there is. Right, let's have a look, shall we? So let's give it a knock out. So you can see the decent amount of root. Just break this away. It's looking pretty good, I've got to admit. Now, so you can see the rhizome there. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, you can see the rhizome. So that's part of it there. I'm trying to get this apart and show you the rest. So hopefully you can see that. So we've now got, there we are, that's better, rhizome formation coming down there. So now more than likely, oh there we are, more than likely that's where it's been against the pot and it's gone in this slightly downward formation. So what I'll end up doing is allow these to dry a little bit and then replant. And let's just have a look at these couple here as well. So again, it obviously wasn't where it was hitting the pot because these have got that same downward formation. If you can see, getting compost all over the floor. So this is quite, yeah, certainly quite interesting. And I think what I'll do, as I say, I'll allow them to dry out a little bit, and then I will replant into some more soil again, more compost. Same sort of mixture again, just using this compost perlite mix. Let's get those off. now and again. So we've ended up with these bundles here of nice fresh turmeric. So it's quite nice actually for a first attempt. I say that's just on these ones, you know. I've got all of those left to lift, which they have a bit of formation, but probably not a lot, not as much, you know. Certainly that's where it's at, is growing into the container, and I think moving forward I'll probably end up doing maybe you know, maybe one in a pot slightly smaller than that, something like a 5 litre pot, sorry, like a 3 litre pot. Just plant them individually, I think, next year. So yeah, it's yeah, I'm quite chuffed with that. Anyway, if you got any questions, do send them over to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Keep subscribing if you like what I'm doing. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos that I'm doing. And I always say it, but you know, just enjoy doing your gardening, enjoy your house plants, and having fun. And till next time, there you go, and see you then. Bye for now.